To get started with Acorns Found Money, first understand what it is. Acorns Found Money is a feature of the Acorns investing app that allows users to earn cash back when they shop at participating retailers. Begin by opening your Acorns app and navigating to the Found Money section. Here, you will see a list of participating retailers, including popular brands and online stores. Browse through the list to find retailers you frequently shop at. Next, click on a retailer to view the details of the cashback offer. Each retailer may have different terms and conditions, such as the percentage of cashback you can earn or any minimum purchase requirements. Once you have selected a retailer, click the Shop Now button to be redirected to the retailer's website. From here, you can browse and make purchases as you normally would. The key is to make sure you access the retailer's website through the Acorns app to ensure you earn cash back. After making a purchase, the cashback will be credited to your Acorns account within a few days. You can track your earnings in the Found Money section of the app. To maximize your earnings, consider combining Acorns Found Money with other rewards programs, such as credit card cashback or loyalty programs. Additionally, look for retailers that offer higher percentages of cash back or special promotions to increase your earnings. It is also important to note that Acorns Found Money is just one aspect of the Acorns app, which also allows you to invest small amounts of money into a diversified portfolio. By using Found Money in conjunction with the app's investing features, you can potentially grow your wealth over time. In summary, using Acorns Found Money is a straightforward process that requires you to shop at participating retailers through the Acorns app. By following these steps and combining Found Money with other rewards programs, you can earn cash back and potentially grow your wealth over time.